Hello everybody, it is Mr. Modern Financials here, coming at you with another video. So NFT marketplace LooksRare goes live with Vampire Attack on OpenSea. What's going on here? If you're in the NFT space, you've probably used OpenSea. OpenSea and Rarible are both really big NFT marketplaces, and OpenSea has really been the king so far. Now, there is a new marketplace called LooksRare that is trying to gain a foothold in the NFT space. And we have my thoughts, whether I think they're going to be successful, and kind of just my analysis on how this is going to work. Okay, so they are launching a Vampire Attack on OpenSea. What the heck is a Vampire Attack? Well, it's not anything illegal. It's not anything that's technically a scam or hacking or anything like that. What a Vampire Attack is, it's basically when a project tries to poach another project's user base. So they're doing this in multiple ways. The main way is if you have traded on OpenSea and you list on LooksRare, if you list some NFTs on LooksRare, you're going to get a bonus for doing that. So they're trying to incentivize people who have listed on OpenSea to instead list on LooksRare, okay? They're also doing an airdrop to people who have traded NFTs throughout the year, and they're giving away their Looks tokens. Now, are these tokens going to go up in value? Possibly. They are inflationary. They are offering a 30,000% APR on staking. That does not mean 30% of US dollar. That means 30,000% of those tokens, okay? So essentially what that means, if you have $1,000 of tokens, you're not going to get necessarily 30,000% on $1,000. You're going to get 30,000% on the amount of tokens. And if those tokens go down, that would effectively reduce the amount you're actually gaining. However, free money is free money, and that is effectively what it is. So the marketplace is hoping to attract current NFT big spenders who have already used OpenSea by letting these individuals claim Look tokens for free. Anyone who traded more than 3 Ether, it's about $9,400 on OpenSea, between June 16th and December 16th can claim a portion of the tokens, all right? So from a marketer's perspective, this is brilliant, okay? Plain and simple, this is brilliant. This quote-unquote Vampire Attack, it's a way of getting people off of OpenSea and onto their platform, which is going to have better rates of fees and possibly more decentralization, more community focus, things like that. I've looked into it a bit. I haven't traded anything on it. Okay, just being clear about that. But it does look very interesting. Now, do I think this is the end of OpenSea? No, I do not think this is the end of OpenSea. But I do think Looks does have the opportunity to gain a portion of the market here, okay? NFT trading is a big market, and there are lots of competitors in it who could gain their own corner of the market, okay? If you think of cars, there's not just one car manufacturer. There are many. And I look at exchanges and NFT marketplaces quite the same way. I think OpenSea is, at least for right now, staying the top dog. All right, at least throughout the next year, OpenSea staying top dog with NFT trading. But it's very possible LooksRare can gain a portion of that market. Maybe it's 10% of the NFT trading market. I don't have an exact number. It depends on how receptive the crypto community is to them. And they have seemed very receptive. If you go on crypto Twitter, a lot of NFT influencers are hopping on this LooksRare, and why are they? Well, they have an incentive to. They're getting these big airdrops of tokens that they could sell and essentially make money for doing nothing. They don't even have to buy the tokens. They just get airdropped to them, and free money is free money. Even if the tokens go down half the value, right? It's still worth it for those influencers. So they have the crypto community on board. They have influencers on board. They have a very good marketing strategy. I'm telling you this as a digital marketer. LooksRare is doing some really smart things right now. However, it is a David versus Goliath, because OpenSea is just so big and they have so much funding, they have so much money for advertising, and they already have such a big foothold. I don't think LooksRare is going to take over OpenSea, at least in the time being, okay? This whole year, I don't think LooksRare will take over OpenSea. Just being clear about that. I do think LooksRare has the opportunity to gain a foothold in to solidify themselves as one of the options for NFT marketplaces. Plain and simple, okay? And I think this is, and let me know if you disagree with me in the comment section down below. I think this is great for cryptocurrency. I think this is great for NFTs. Competition, competition, competition. We don't want a monopoly. We want competition in the crypto marketplace, and the more exchanges, the more NFT marketplaces that are in here, they're going to be competing with each other. They're going to be reducing fees to compete with each other, doing airdrops to compete with each other. That's great for NFT holders and crypto holders and traders, okay? Plain and simple. If you enjoyed this video and agreed or disagreed with my analysis, comment down below, leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Also, check out my other social media links in the description. Lastly, if you guys want to get a VPN, I do have a discount link in the description to PureVPN. Very important to protect your privacy if you are involved in cryptocurrencies and NFT trading. It's just very important to do. Get yourself a VPN using the link in the description to my PureVPN affiliate link, and I will catch you next time. Have a great day, guys.